So our project at 12 in Hill Road in Freshwater was a new build, and it is right up on the headland, so it's a beautiful location right by the coast, but I guess we wanted to do something a bit different to just your standard coastal home. The brief from the client was pretty open. She knew she liked quite a classic home, but she really wanted our guidance, and what we wanted to create there was definitely a home by the sea, but with a real sense of elegance and warmth that differentiates it from your standard kind of coastal aesthetic. So we were always looking for things that were a little bit different in terms of the materials we chose to maybe what we would have used on a lot of other kind of seaside projects. So for Sydney Hill Road, we chose Havwoods Fendi for the flooring. In my mind, I always say to clients, the flooring and the kitchen are the two things that are so critical in giving that sense of quality to your home. And sometimes they're a bit surprised that the flooring is such a key part of that, but always after it goes down, they really understand why I said that in the beginning. So we were really careful about what flooring to choose for this. It's a very big home, so you're going to see a lot of the flooring, and it's a really key element as soon as you walk in the door, and you get this beautiful long hallway that leads out to the view, and so the flooring is super important. So we were looking for a flooring that would suit, definitely has to suit the coast because it is right there on the headland, but we didn't want anything too light because it needed to have that sense of depth and real elegance to it that would suit the aesthetic that I was talking about. So actually harder than it sounds to find a flooring that kind of delivers on all of that. And when we found Fendi, it was perfect. We just knew straight away, and thankfully the client agreed that it was perfect. Flooring, it has just a beautiful small amount of feature and interest to it, but just has a real authenticity and sense of warmth and depth of colour that's really appropriate while still feeling quite relaxed and coastal. So it's quite difficult for one flooring to do all that, but I think it does. And we were really, it was really important to us that it was also really functional and really hard wearing for a young family. So we were always keen to use an engineered board in there rather than an actual hardwood. So yeah, Fendi was just perfect, kind of delivered on everything that we needed.